Hi, welcome to this example of how to prioritize vulnerabilities using the world's largest malware dataset, VirusTotal. We are going to focus on a specific vulnerability to study how its popularity has evolved for a specific range of time, looking at the number of submissions to VirusTotal per month. In this case, we are going to study the evolution of exploits related to a net logon elevation of privilege vulnerability. First, we'll build a dictionary, which will represent the amount of files uploaded by month. Then, we are going to query the VT dataset, looking for any file which has been tagged with the specific CVE that we are studying. We will fill the dictionary previously created and print how much time did it take for the script to run. Finally, we are plotting the submissions of files related to the vulnerability according to the months of the range of time we specified. The findings are interesting. We can see that files related to this vulnerability, registered on August, have been uploaded in May and July. VirusTotal is the usual place where threat actors upload their exploits to test them before actual attacks. Besides, we can observe this critical vulnerability is still trendy, so we better keep our Microsoft systems patched against it. Thank you for your attention, and happy hunting!